Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y over x. They are degree number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1, so we have v, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one I will put in here and here. dy over dx we change by this one. So this one we change by v and v. V and v we simplify. Next we put cosine v go to the left, dx and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This one we change by sine v over cosine v dv. The integration of this one we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine v. The integration of this one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s, and now we need to change v into this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.